Wiper Party leader Kalonzo Musyoka got a sigh of relief after the High Court permanently restrained the Non-Governmental Coordination Board from suspending operations of his foundation or freezing its bank accounts. In her ruling, Justice Roselyne Aburili found the NGO Coordination Board's decision to suspend operations of the Kalonzo Musyoka Foundation illegal.
The applicant's notice of motion is merited, and I proceed to grant the orders of prohibition prohibiting the respondent non-governmental organizations and coordination board from freezing the applicant's bank accounts or otherwise howsoever interfering with the applicant's day-to-day operations. B, I also order judicial review order of prohibition prohibiting the respondent from deregistering or in any way interfering with the applicant's operations.
Justice Aburili was, however, quick to observe that the order prohibiting the investigation of Kalonzo Musyoka Foundation does not shield it from being investigated in any wrongdoing. Kalonzo Musyoka Foundation had gone to court seeking orders to permanently stop the board from suspending its operations, freezing its bank accounts, or investigating the organization. The board had accused the foundation of engaging in money laundering and operating illegal accounts. And Kajiado High Court has upheld the election of Joseph Olelenku as Kajiado governor. In dismissing the case challenging Olelenku's victory in the August 8, 2017 general election, Justice John Onyengo ruled that the evidence adduced by the petitioner did not meet the threshold to annul the election of Governor Olelenku.
The gubernatorial elections held on 8 August 2017 in Kajiado County were constitutionally and validly held. B, that the first respondent hearing, Joseph Chama Olelenku, was validly elected and gazetted as the governor of Kajiado County. C, that the certificate of elected county governor for Kajiado County issued in the name of Joseph Chama Olelenku on the 10th August 2017 was constitutionally and legally issued to the said Joseph Chama Olelenku as governor of Kajiado County. D, that the petitioner shall bear the cost of this petition.
And I'm sure it is a relief for every Kenyan to have all these petitions now come to an end so that we all together embark on the nation building.
The ruling was actually a victory for the Kajiado people, for the unity of our county and also the unity of our country.
Meanwhile, Kisumu High Court has dismissed an election petition challenging the election of Kisumu Women Representative Rosa Buyu. Judge Trifisa Cherere ruled that the petition was defective and lacked merit. The petitioner Grace Akumu has been slapped with a 3 million shillings as costs.
When you're taken to court, you don't have the mandate and the freedom to do a lot of things. So a lot of work seems to be halted. But with this, I'm free to move and I'm free to fly. And I'm surely going to fly for this county.
So there is something wrong with our IEBC and the courts. Because if there are irregularities and illegalities, those should warrant the case to be dismissed against the third respondent.
Finally, the case challenging Nairobi County government's decision to ban border borders from accessing the CBD has been set for inter-party hearing on Tuesday next week. In the case, Starehe Member of Parliament Charles Njagwa want the court to quash the notice by the county government, arguing the decision by Governor Mike Sonko was reached without consulting the relevant stakeholders. Ben Chumba reporting for Scales of Justice.